Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cloudflare Stream series. In this video, I'll be explaining one of the most important parts of live streaming, low latency. I'll cover what low latency means, why it's important, and most importantly, how Cloudflare Stream can help you optimize your live stream videos with low latency support. So what exactly is low latency? Low latency refers to the delay between a time a signal is sent and when it is received. In the context of live streaming, low latency means reducing the delay between the time video data is sent from your device to when a viewer receives it. Live streaming has become one of the most popular ways to share content online today. However, standard or traditional live streaming is not really live because viewers often experience a delay between around a few seconds to a minute. This experience can be very frustrating for viewers that want to watch your content in real time. Viewers increasingly expect live to mean real time. People would like to place a bet while watching a sporting event in real time or ask questions in a live stream event and get a response back without ever feeling behind at a live event. And that's where low latency streaming solutions like Cloudflare Stream comes in, as they help reduce the delay from about 30 seconds to a minute to just a few seconds, resulting in a much better viewer experience. It may interest you to know that not every live event requires low latency support. Low latency is essential in use cases where real-time interaction is required. Let's see a few scenarios where low latency support can be very helpful. First, you can have a live sporting broadcast where viewers want to place bets on the outcome of the game, or watching a gaming stream where viewers might want to see the players' actions and reactions in real time. It can also be very helpful in an interactive webinar or a conference where the viewers want to ask questions and receive answers back in real time. And also in online auctions where bidding needs to be done in real time. In these scenarios, low latency streaming is essential to ensure viewers have a very seamless and engaging experience. Cloudflare Stream supports WebRTC and low latency HLS streaming protocols. While other protocols like SRT and RTMPS are available, they can be very difficult to experience very true live streaming experience because of their limitations. For example, RTMPS is built on top of the TCP protocol, which currently doesn't have browser compatibility with all the browsers out there. So you oftentimes experience compatibility issues, which makes it less ideal for live video streaming. WebRTC with Cloudflare Stream is a great option for achieving low latency streaming. Unlike other protocols, it does not use any specific SDK, and it enables developers integrate low latency streaming and playback into their web applications. WebRTC allows you achieve sub-second latency and playback to unlimited concurrent viewers. It uses the WHEP and WHEP protocol to deliver and playback live stream content. WHEP and WHEP are both ingestion and egress protocols used with WebRTC. Cloudflare Stream WebRTC's implementation is built on top of Cloudflare's developer network with Cloudflare Workers and durable objects running on Cloudflare's global network. How it works is a broadcaster streams video using WHEP to the point of presence closest to their location, which then tells durable objects where the live stream can be found, and any viewer can request the video from a point of presence closest to them, and the video is routed through Cloudflare's network, all with sub-second latency. Cloudflare Stream supports these protocols by sending a WebRTC WHEP URL and WebRTC web playback URL. When you create a new live input, either using Stream, Dashboard, or with the API endpoint, you will receive this URL that you can then use in your applications. Let me show you a quick demo of how this works. I'll be using example code from StackBlitz. You can find this in the docs. First, I need to enable my camera. In the index.html file, I would copy over the WebRTC URL from the dashboard and place it in that part of the code, and also do the same for the playback URL. So copy it over to the demo code. Once this is done, you would see immediately that your stream live input has been added, and one thing that you should notice here is how the latency is reduced significantly. Like, you cannot tell what the difference is between both outputs. Additionally, Cloudflare also supports low latency HLS protocol, offering you even lower latency for HLS streaming. Low latency HLS is an extension of the HLS protocol, which enables you to decrease the glass-to-glass latency, which essentially is the time between when an event occurs in the broadcast and when the viewer sees it on their screen. The latency a viewer may experience on their player can be reduced from the highs of 30 seconds to lower than 10 seconds, depending on your use case. If you're in search of a platform that supports low latency streaming, then you should definitely check out Cloudflare Stream and its offerings. You can learn more about WebRTC and the low latency HLS protocols by checking out the links listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, have a wonderful day.